Today, we choose to part ways on a journey called life, yet we continue to have each other's back. Peace, growth, one kindness, and humanity have always been our guiding values. For the Sakhi of our children Tara, Khushi, Rajveer, we commit to being the best parents, the best friends, and whatever else it takes to do what is right for them. Though we walk separate paths, there is no villain in this story and no negativity attached to this decision. Before any conclusions are drawn, please know that we choose peace over drama and sanity above all else. We continue to respect one another, support one another, and remain friends, as we always have been. With mutual respect, we ask for your respect, love, and kindness as we move forward. Mahi with Jai Bhanushali. For weeks now, social media was filled with assumptions, rumors, and speculation about Jai Bhanushali and Mahi. Some said they were separated. Some said it was just a phase. And many people kept asking, are they divorced? Now, Jai Bhanushali has finally shared a statement that puts all assumptions to rest. The statement clearly mentions that this decision was taken with maturity, peace, and mutual respect, not drama. In his words, Jai said, "We choose to part ways on a journey called life, yet we continue to have each other's back." This single line explains everything. They are separating as partners, but not as humans, not as parents, and not as supporters of each other. The most important part of this statement is about their children Tara, Khushi, and Rajveer. Jai and Mahi clearly stated that for the sake of their children, they will continue to be the best parents, the best friends, and do whatever it takes to protect their well-being. This shows responsibility, maturity, and emotional strength. For days, people were drawing conclusions based on silence, unfollows, and appearances. But this statement proves one thing: not every separation needs to be messy, and not every ending is full of hate. Just because someone stops sharing their personal life online does not mean they owe explanations to the internet. Jai and Mahi chose to speak only when they were ready, and that deserves respect. They continue to respect each other, support each other, and remain friends. And with mutual respect, they have asked for the same respect, love, and kindness from all of us. This is not gossip. This is a life decision. Let's choose empathy over judgment. If you want honest, drama-free updates without fake narratives, follow the Talk Room, where facts matter more than noise.